Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into a MetaTrader 5 account. To get started, open your MetaTrader 5 program on your computer and wait for the platform to load fully. It's important to make sure the application is completely open before moving on, so you can clearly see all the menu options at the top of the screen. This ensures that everything is fully initialized, including your workspace, charts, and trading panels, so you don't run into missing menu items or delayed loading issues. Once MetaTrader 5 is open, look to the top left corner and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with several platform options. The File menu is basically the control center of MetaTrader 5, where you can manage accounts, open new ones, and adjust key platform settings. From here, select Log in to Trade Account. This is the option you'll use whenever you want to connect your trading account to the platform. This step is what links your broker account directly to MetaTrader, so you can access live market data and execute trades. After clicking that, a login window will appear. In this section, enter your MetaTrader 5 account login credentials carefully. This usually includes your account login information exactly as provided by your broker. Most brokers send these details via email or through your client dashboard after account creation. Take your time here because even a small typing mistake can prevent the login from working properly. If you normally copy and paste your details, just make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the text. A good habit is to paste it into a text editor first to confirm it looks clean before entering it into MetaTrader. Once your credentials have been entered, confirm the login to continue. MetaTrader 5 will then attempt to connect your account, and if everything has been entered correctly, you'll be logged in successfully. You may notice the platform briefly loading as it synchronizes your account data with your broker. At that point, your trading account should be active inside the platform, and you'll be ready to access your charts, market prices, and trading tools. This means you can now analyze markets, place trades, and manage open positions directly from the platform. If the login doesn't go through on the first try, double-check the information you entered and make sure you are using the correct account details from MetaTrader 5. Also confirm that your internet connection is stable, since the platform needs to communicate with the broker's server during the sign-in process. In some cases, selecting the wrong server is also the reason login fails, so it's worth verifying that as well. A helpful habit is to enter your login details slowly and carefully, especially if you are setting up the platform for the first time. This can save time and avoid unnecessary login errors. It also helps you build good discipline when working with trading platforms where precision matters. Also, for privacy and security, never share your account credentials with anyone, and avoid entering sensitive information when others can see your screen. Keeping your trading account secure is essential to protect your funds and personal data. And that's it. Once you've opened MetaTrader 5, clicked File, selected Log into Trade Account, and entered your account credentials, you're done. That is how to log into a MetaTrader 5 account. From here, you're fully ready to start using the platform confidently for your trading activities.